though. If I was substituting in a number, is it the same number I sub?
Well, I think they're all x's.
Yeah.
It would just be 4x.
It is, exactly. It is just 4x's. What's a repeated addition? 4 times multiplication. So 4x. That has been simplified to 4x's. Cool. What about... That's 3x's. Notice the sign change here. That this is adding, this is now multiplication. So that's 3x's.
Yeah, because it's 1 times 1 times 1. I think so. Oh, then it's 1. Because if it's 1 times 1. Oh, wait, is it like.
If it's 1, it's 1 times 1. What happens if it's 2?
Would it be like. Oh, if it's 2, then it's 2 times 1 times 1.
2 times 1 times 1? No. Chloe? Yeah, a few people have it. If I repeat something, so if it was 2 times 2 times 2, we did earlier on in the year that's 2 to the power of 3. That's what powers are. A repeated multiplication is a power. X times x times x is x cubed. Ah. So the amount of times you multiply is the number here. So x to the power of 4 would be x times x times x times x. 4 multiplications of x. All right. How about... Oh, what's that? 6x? We're happy with that? Not 8x? No? So I have 2 of something, and I add 4. So you can think about these as apples again. If I have 2 apples and 4 apples, I definitely have 6 apples. Is that the same answer, 2x plus 4? Because that's a different thing. The 4 is not affected by the x. It's 2 apples and $4. What about 2x plus 4y? Can I simplify this to 6xy maybe? Steph? Can't, no. It's like trying to simplify 2 apples and 4 bananas. How do I simplify that down? It's just, I just got 2 apples and 4 bananas. It's different than saying two apples and another 4 apples. I can add those together. So these 2 are something called like terms. Like terms can be added together. They're the same thing. They're both just x's. These 2 are not like terms. Cannot be added together because they're different letters. What about something like this? So that we need to think about, are these like terms or not like terms?
Is it just 2? Is it 2 ABs? It's 2 ABs, so then it's 3 ABs together.
How many ABs do I have? No, got 3. 2 ABs here and another 1 here. So in total, I have 3 ABs. What about 2AB plus 3A squared plus 6A squared?
Can we know the value of A?
No, you can't. That's the whole thing. If we knew the value of A, we'd do our substitution thing. We just substitute in, work out the value. Now we're trying to work with algebra without knowing what the values are. Kevin.
2AB plus 9A to the power of 4.
Almost. Yeah.
2AB plus 9A to the power of 2.
Yes. There's no reason I would multiply the A squareds or add the A squareds. If I have 3 of something and 6 of something, I don't all of a sudden double the something. I just say I have 9 of something. So I have 2AB plus 9A squared. So these 2 are like terms, can be combined together. This one's just on its own. He's no friends. Okay. So, what about 3xy minus 2yx? Leah, what's your take? Sorry? 1yx. Are they like terms, first of all? Are they,
Yes, I think they are because they're just switched around. It's basically 4 plus 2 and 2 plus 4.
I'd be multiplying, but yeah. So xy, is it the same as yx? That's what we need to figure out. Okay, let's think about it. xy, yx. Let's say we knew what x is and y. X is 3, y is 2. Is 3 times 2 the same as 2 times 3? Yeah. Is there ever a case where that multiplication would not be the same? Is 5 times 4 the same as 4 times 5? Always the same. That's the commutative property of multiplication. Doesn't matter what order you do it in, you get the same answer. So if these are in different order, they still can be combined. Now mathematicians like to do what with the letters? They like to put them in alphabetical order. I do not like the way this is written. I would always keep it in alphabetical order. Number, ABC, or X, Y, Z. So I do it this way. So I get, what's my answer here? 1xy. Do I write 1xy as a mathematician? No. Why not? I can. No problem with that. Yeah, it's already one of something. xy is just one of them. I don't need to say there's one. I can just say it's just xy. Multiplying by 1 won't change it. 6 times 1 is going to be just 6 anyway, so it doesn't change it. You can write 1xy if you wish, but not really necessary. Okay. Yeah?
Isn't that why it says just 1xy before was left? Because
3 of something take away 2 of something is just 1 of something, yeah?
I just said 1xy. What was the difference between xy and yx?
Oh, I didn't say you're wrong.
How?
I didn't say you're wrong. You're correct. Just the order, you can write yx if you'd rather. I'm just saying we usually put it in alphabetical order. There's nothing wrong with what you said. It's fine. You get it correct in the exam. Okay, make sure you have a little note, especially on what's like terms and not like terms. Like terms can be added together. Not like terms cannot. Added or subtracted. Make sure you write something.